It is a great satisfaction to greet you, and I hope you find yourself well, both you and your pet. In today's video we will talk about the following. Your dog pooping at home, why and what to do. Let's find out now. One of the most rewarding moments is when your dog is successfully potty trained. However, as your dog gets older, he may have a few accidents from time to time. But what if your dog starts pooping in the house more than a few times? This behavior is definitely abnormal for a domesticated dog. Let's look at some of the most common reasons and what you can do about it. 1. Why does your dog poop at home? If your dog keeps pooping in the house, he may have a health issue or something has changed in his routine, diet, or environment that is causing the accidents. The first step is to rule out a medical reason, which means visiting your vet. Any medical condition that causes inflammation of your intestines or an increased sense of urgency can lead to an accident at home. A common cause of gastrointestinal disease in dogs is intestinal parasites, worms. Food allergies or food intolerance can also cause gastrointestinal upset in dogs. Although food allergies in dogs are relatively uncommon, 10 to 15% of dogs diagnosed with food allergies show signs of both skin and gastrointestinal conditions, usually in the form of loose stools. Separation anxiety has become a more common problem for some dogs, especially if there is a change in how often you are home with them. Dogs with separation anxiety will usually start to get nervous or anxious as you prepare to leave the house. Your dog may start destructive chewing, pacing, whining, or dirtying the house. Your dog may be pooping inside because something outside scares him or makes him anxious. Some dogs have a more nervous personality, and loud sounds such as passing vehicles, barking dogs, thunder, people yelling, or other loud noises can contribute to fear and anxiety. If your dog is tense and fearful when he's outside, he may not use the bathroom until he's back inside. Some dogs may poop in the house because they haven't spent enough time outside to go to the bathroom. When dogs go outside, they usually want to sniff and explore their surroundings for new sights, smells, or sounds. So if your dog spends a lot of time exploring instead of urinating and pooping, he may not have had enough time to poop outdoors. Most dogs get used to a schedule of eating, walking, or even playing at certain times. If there is an abrupt change in this routine, your dog may not be ready, and this may contribute to pooping in the house. With a newly house school pet, any new stressor or change in your daily routine can result in setbacks. As your pet ages, their house training skills may not be as sharp as when they were puppies. Older dogs may begin to show mild signs of canine cognitive dysfunction or mild canine dementia, where they begin to forget certain learned behaviors. Common signs seen include pacing, wandering, increased anxiety, and more episodes of pooping around the house. Sudden changes in your dog's diet can lead to GI upset, as a dog's intestinal tract doesn't handle this type of abrupt change well. 2. How to prevent a dog from pooping in the house. No matter what the cause of your dog's inappropriate defecation in the house, punishment will not solve the problem. Do not yell at your dog or rub his nose, as this is not an effective strategy. First, it is important to schedule an appointment with your veterinarian to find possible medical conditions. Intestinal parasites can be diagnosed with fecal tests and can be easily treated with deworming medications. For food allergies, your vet may recommend a prescription diet such as a hydrolyzed protein or novel protein diet to see if your pet will tolerate the food better. Ask your vet about adding a daily probiotic to her food to help promote a balanced gut microbiome. Seek help for your dog's anxiety or separation anxiety. If your pet begins to show signs of mild dementia or cognitive dysfunction, schedule a checkup with your veterinarian. There are special medications and diets for older pets. Keep your dog focused during potty time. Change your dog's diet gradually. Would you like to have more professional information, and especially updated about your dog? Visit the website below in the description of this video. Do not stop subscribing to the channel, comment, and share the video. You are very well, thank you.